How can we create faster computers with origami? Make the connection with EU Science. Moore's law states that the number of transistors on a computer chip doubles every 2 years. But this miniaturization is fast approaching its physical limits. The EU-funded Original offers a solution. By printing thin-film transistors technology onto a thin foil, thousands of these circuits could be stacked on top of one another. And unlike bulky silicon chips, the foil can be folded into a flexible 3D package, surpassing the power of traditional microchips, keeping Moore's law unbroken for decades to come. Find out more at cordis.europa.eu and follow us.